In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on LinkedIn mobile app. If you've shared something on LinkedIn and later decided you want to remove it, the good news is that the process is quick and straightforward right from the mobile app. Whether the post is outdated, has a mistake in it, or you simply no longer want it visible on your profile, you can delete it in just a few taps. To get started, open the LinkedIn mobile app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're in, go to your profile. This is the area where your personal information, work history, and activity are all stored, and it's also where you can access the posts you've published. After opening your profile, scroll down until you reach the Resources or Activity section. Depending on your app version, the layout may look slightly different, but you're looking for the part of your profile that shows your recent engagement and content. In that section, tap Posts. This will open the list of posts you've shared on LinkedIn, making it easier to find the exact one you want to remove. Now locate the post you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check that it's the correct post, especially if you've published several similar updates. Once you've found it, tap the three dots in the top right corner of that post. This opens a menu of actions related to that specific post. From the menu that appears, select Delete Post. LinkedIn will then ask you to confirm your choice. This extra confirmation step is helpful because deleting a post is meant to prevent accidental removal. To finish, tap Delete to confirm. Once you do that, the post will be removed from your LinkedIn profile and will no longer be visible to other users. One important thing to keep in mind is that deleting a post is permanent, so if there's any information in the post that you may want to reuse later, consider saving a copy before removing it. Also, if you only want to correct a small detail and LinkedIn gives you the option to edit instead, that may be worth considering before choosing Delete. And that's it. That's how to delete a post on the LinkedIn mobile app quickly and easily. Follow these same steps anytime you want to clean up old content or manage what appears on your profile.